A great digital piano gives you the genuine feel of an acoustic, weighted keys, rich sound, real expression, without the size, price, or tuning bills. And you can practice silently with headphones any time of day. In 2026, there's a perfect option for every player and budget. I tested 5 of the best. Let's get into it. New to Unbox Daily. We test the gear that actually matters for your music and creative life. Honest reviews, real testing, zero fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. New content drops every week and your playing will thank you for sticking around. The Roland FP10 is the key action standard setter that serious players and teachers genuinely recommend for its authentic, class-leading feel at a budget price. Roland is renowned for the best key actions in digital pianos, and the FP10 brings that expertise to an accessible price with its acclaimed PHA 4 standard keyboard, delivering genuinely realistic weight, response, and even escapement simulation that mimics the subtle feel of a real acoustic action, a genuine advantage for developing proper technique. The Roland Supernatural sound engine delivers rich, expressive, authentic piano tone that responds naturally to your playing dynamics. The compact, portable slab design suits any space and is genuinely easy to move. The Bluetooth connectivity links to learning and music apps, and the headphone output enables silent practice. The built-in speakers deliver clear sound. Roland's reputation for the finest key action backs the quality. For players who prioritize the genuinely most authentic, class-leading key action at a budget price, the Roland FP10 is the most action-focused, most technique-developing pick on this entire list. The Roland FP10 delivers class-leading, authentic key action at a genuinely budget price. And the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. The gold standard for key feel. The Donner DP80 is the minimalist home console that combines genuine acoustic piano feel with a beautifully clean, understated design that fits any modern living space. Where many console pianos look bulky, the DP80 stands out with a genuinely elegant, minimalist, wooden furniture style design that looks like a stylish piece of modern furniture in a living room, a real consideration for design-conscious homes. Beyond the looks, the full 88 fully weighted hammer action keys genuinely replicate acoustic piano feel for proper technique development, and the rich piano voices deliver authentic, satisfying sound. The triple pedal unit included with the furniture stand replicates the sustain, soft, and sostenuto pedals of a real acoustic piano for developing proper pedaling. The built-in speakers deliver room-filling sound, and the headphone output enables silent practice. The clean connectivity supports learning apps and recording. For home players who want genuine acoustic feel and full pedals wrapped in a beautifully minimalist, design-forward console, the Donner DP80 is the most aesthetically refined, most minimalist pick on this entire list. The Donner DP80 wraps genuine acoustic feel and full pedals in a beautifully minimalist design, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. A real piano that looks stunning at home. The Donner DP50 is the comprehensive beginner's console piano that delivers everything a new player needs in one genuinely complete, well-equipped package. Designed specifically with beginners in mind, the DP50 combines a full 88 fully weighted hammer action keys that genuinely replicate acoustic piano feel, essential for developing proper technique from the start with a beginner-friendly design and features. The rich, authentic piano voices deliver satisfying sound for practice and learning, and the additional instrument tones add creative variety. The console design with a furniture-style stand and triple pedal setup gives the genuine feel and look of a traditional home piano, ideal for a beginner setting up at home. The built-in learning features metronome and recording function genuinely help new players progress. The connectivity supports headphones for silent practice and apps for learning. The comprehensive included setup means beginners get everything at once. For new players who want a genuinely complete, well-equipped beginner console piano with everything included, the Donner DP50 is the most beginner comprehensive, most all-included pick on this entire list. The Donner DP50 gives beginners a genuinely complete console piano with everything included, and the price in the description makes it an easy first piano. Check the link below and grab it today. Everything a beginner needs in one. The Donner RS100 is the premium pick built for growing pianists who have progressed beyond beginner instruments and want a genuinely more refined, capable piano. As Donner's more premium offering, the Oura S100 steps up with a higher quality key action, more advanced sound engine, and refined features that genuinely support developing intermediate and advanced players. The premium weighted key action delivers a genuinely more nuanced, expressive feel that responds to subtle playing dynamics, essential as your technique grows. The advanced sound engine delivers richer, more detailed, more expressive piano voices with greater realism, and the expanded features and connectivity support serious practice and performance. The refined premium design looks and feels genuinely elevated in a home, and the comprehensive pedal and connectivity setup rounds it out. The built-in speaker system delivers rich sound, and the headphone output enables silent practice. For growing pianists who have outgrown beginner instruments and want a genuinely premium, more capable, and expressive piano, the Donner Oura S100 is the most premium, most growth-supporting pick on this entire list. The Oura S100 delivers a premium, refined experience for growing pianists, and the price in the description reflects that elevated quality. Check the link below and grab it today. Grow into a genuinely premium piano. Closing out the list with the Casio PX-S1100, the genuinely stunning ultra-slim space saver that packs premium sound and feel into one of the slimmest piano bodies available. The standout is the remarkably slim, sleek modern design, genuinely one of the thinnest digital pianos on the market, which looks stunning and fits spaces where a bulkier piano simply won't. A real advantage for small apartments and stylish setups. Despite the slim profile, the full 88 smart-scaled hammer action keys genuinely replicate acoustic piano feel with authentic weight and response. The excellent Casio sound engine delivers rich, detailed, expressive piano voices, sampled from quality grand pianos. The Bluetooth audio and app connectivity add genuine versatility, letting you stream and use learning apps, and the battery power option enables genuine portability. The touch controls and modern design look genuinely premium, and the headphone output enables silent practice. For anyone who wants premium sound and feel in a stunningly slim, portable, space-saving design, the Casio PX-S1100 is the most slim, most space-saving pick on this entire list. The Casio PX-S1100 packs premium sound and feel into a stunningly slim, portable body, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Premium piano, ultra-slim design. Before we wrap, if this breakdown just helped you find the right digital piano for your playing, tap that subscribe button. 1 second of your time keeps us making honest, in-depth reviews every week. We genuinely appreciate every one of you watching. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because instrument deals move fast. If this helped you find the right digital piano, drop a like and subscribe to Unbox Daily for honest reviews every week. See you in the next one.